how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. So if you want to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap, then what you need to do is just watch this video. This works both on iPhone and Android device. First, you need to launch your Snapchat. Now on the bottom, you need to find the search icon, which is here on the bottom. Tap on the search icon. And then again, go with search, which is here on the right side. And now search for the green screen. Once that filter appears, you need to click on it. In my case, I'll just simply go and select this one. After that, it will show you the options from your gallery. So just go with the filter and then go with the options from your gallery right here. Go and select the photo. I've selected this one. Once you have selected it, you can also add filters if you want to. I'll go with this one. Now tap on the middle, bottom middle, which is this one. And then you need to just go with filters if you want to add some filters. You can just simply swipe left or right in order to add some filters. And then go and send to, which is on the bottom, and send this as a snap. In this way, you'll be able to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.